This morning we picked strawberries and now we're turning them into jam. We found the recipe for strawberry jam. We first need lemons, and then strawberries, and then cups, and then sugar, 4 cups. Let's see how many we need. One lemon, 3 cups of strawberries, and 2 cups of sugar. By the way, those cups of sugar look like Oklahoma.
They do. 2 cups or 1.5 cups?
1.5 cups. Here are some of the things we need. A scale. And Dad, what's this?
Spatula?
Yep, it's a spatula. That's right. And now, what's this?
Colander?
Yep, that's a colander. And this is a juicer.
Juicer.
This is a pan. This is the sugar. This is a lemon. And then the strawberries from this morning. The first thing we're going to do is weigh out a pound of strawberries. That's an 8. This is the part where we would stop the speed and make it back to normal speed, okay?
Okay. Very good.
What will it be? This is a pound of strawberry. And fun fact, the Americans eat about 5 pounds of strawberries. Then we wash the strawberries, okay?
A quick word about Alex's knife skills. He's just starting to learn. Now, you'll notice he needs a lot of help, but I've discovered it's best to let him do it on its own without any criticism, unless he's in danger of hurting himself. So this way he can build confidence and he'll be excited to do the task next time.
First, we cut the stem off, like that, gotta get a bit more. We cut off the rest like this. Yeah. Oh, don't forget to get that one off. Yeah, baby. Chop it into a few pieces if you want to know what that is. Okay, so. Okay. Now we add 1.5 cups of sugar. Now you give it all a good stir. That's how I stir it. Now juice the lemon. And then where we put it?
Flip it over. Push it down. And then go back and forth. Twist it back and forth like this.
Oh yeah. Oh, can I?
Yeah, you twist it.
Now I'm adding the lemon juice all around. There we go. Now my dad's gonna cook it up to 220 degrees. Yeah, this is the jam we made yesterday. It looks like this. Well, it's been in the refrigerator the whole night. Let me give it a taste. Wait, that was good. So I do like strawberries now.